Hello, my name's Cody Briggs. I'm a saddle maker at Big Ben Saddlery. This month's tack tip, we're going to be talking about how to make a Chap knot. Basically, it's just a knot. Just have a flat piece of Chap leather right here, and we're going to roll one end up, make a slot in the other end, and it's going to go through that other end. These were used, they're still used today, but they're more common when there's less access to snaps. And it would be a way of buckling your leggings up without needing a snap or a ring or anything like that. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to kind of show you how to do it. I have a piece of leather cut out. It's a little bit bigger at this end and it tapers down just a little bit down to the other end. So basically I'm just going to start rolling it up. You're just going to want to get it as tight as you can and just roll it up. And that's probably a pretty good size right there. I'm going to take my hole punch. I'm just going to make a punch right through the center of everything. Another thing I did before I started, I tapered that into a point. That way you can get it through that hole. And you're just going to pull it on through. Just get it good and tight. And that kind of becomes a button. And what you can do, you can make a slit in a piece of leather, and you could use it to keep stuff wound up, maybe electric cord or something, or you could, if you needed a hobble strap or something like that, you could use this to fix it up. Or there's lots of different uses. A lot of people still use them on leggings today. It can be a closure for something, but basically that's it right there. It's just a neat little thing if you don't have any hardware with you or snaps. You don't need a whole lot of tools to make it work. So, all right. Thank you for watching. If you have any more ideas for tack tips in the future, just let us know. Thank you.